Hi everyone! To celebrate 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, I want to do a bit of a giveaway. So I'll be giving away a little bit of a starter pack for cloth sanitary pads. If this video and when this video reaches 2,000 views, I will select a winner, and if you want to participate, make sure you comment underneath how long you've been using cloth pads and what do you think of them, and make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. So I'll be giving away a little cloth pad wrapper so you can store your cloth pads, made of POL, so it's a waterproof fabric, a 6-inch daily liner, a 9-inch regular pad, and a 10-inch regular pad, minky topped. This one is cotton topped and this one is minky. So all of this I will be giving away if the video and when the video reaches 2,000 likes, and 2,000 views even, or likes but views, and then I will select from the comments. Everybody who has commented, I will randomly select a winner and I'll contact you then. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Bye!